In this video, I'm going to show you an all-in-one AI tool called Pippit AI that you can use to generate either marketing videos, avatar videos, AI talking photos, AI designs, and product photo, any of your products, or you can do product showcase directly. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use it to create product photo. So you can actually check out the website by coming to pippit.ai, and it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to log in. Once you log in, you can come over here. Let's say product photo. Now you have the option to drag and drop the photo, or you can use the available ones over here as a sample guide. So let's say I have some photos. I've downloaded some photos over here, and let's say I'm going to use them for this sample. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and then upload from my computer or from any of these directories. So let's say from my system. Okay, and I'm going to go with this photo of this phone. Okay, I'm going to upload, and it's going to bring me over here. So it's quickly going to analyze the product that I've uploaded, and it is going to give me some suggestions, some recommendations as regards how the product image is going to be. Once it scans it, it was going to remove the background. So it's now up to you to check out the background that you're going to add to this. So all right, so you can see these are the available images that you have. Recommended backgrounds, you can see these warm lights, and you can see so many of them: rainy river and city style, skyline, and so on. So many of them that you can check depending on what you have. You can just create a product photo out of it. Okay, so let's say we'll go with something very direct and very simple. So let's go with something like this. So once you select something like this, you can go ahead and click on generate, and it's going to generate the product image using the background with this. So let's just give it some seconds to finish the generation. And as you can see, it has given us 4 fantastic images of this particular product. So depending whichever one you like, you can just select, and you'll be able to see the preview of what you have selected over here. And I think this is very, very nice. You can upscale this if you're interested, and I think it portrays exactly what I'm looking for as regards the image of this particular phone. Okay, so you can select from any one of them, and if you like any of them, you can just go ahead and download this and have it as your own product picture. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.